zu.
Yoga!
So this is day 2. So what I've done now is I just take the valve cover off. I made 6 bags, just 1 through 6. So that way I can put each one of the groups, so 1, 2, 3, and so on, into their own bag. So it looks like for the injectors, let's see here, it's going to be an 8mm. Okay, so I already took off the first rocker assembly. There's a bolt up top here. It's a 10mm. That's going to come out and the whole rocker is going to pick up. And then there's 2 bolts holding the injector down. Those are going to be 8mm. So I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up. So what I did was I took the push rods and I used the push rods to pull some of these tappets up. And then I just zip tied the tappets. The ones that didn't work out the way that I wanted to, what I did was just took this screwdriver and I put it in the where the dampener's at, and I just used that to kind of pull the cam around, which lifted all these tappets up, and that's how I got the rest of them. The only one that did not work so far is number 1. This one is fighting me, and I can't figure it out yet. But I'm gonna keep working at it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe I'll just have to do the wooden dowel for the number 1. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna see if I can get these 2 bolts here loose and see if the cam will come out. Worst case, I'll just have to reseat the first tappet. It's not a big deal. So these bolts behind the cam, these are gonna be 13mm bolts. So just a little bit of wiggling, cam's out. The number 1 tappet did fall. Like I knew that was probably going to happen. I'll just have to figure out a way to get it fished out of there. Okay, so it looks like for the timing case, all of these black bolts here are going to be 11mm, and all these ones down here are going to be 10mm. Now that these bolts are out and the oil pan down here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're going to be 10mm bolts. So correction, there's actually 6 bolts in the oil pan. And now I'm gonna see if I can find this tappet bottom of the oil pan. Then just cover everything up, and I was just waiting on powder coat. I just keep waiting and waiting and waiting for powder coat. Everything's been there for almost 2 weeks, 3 weeks now.